Mechanisms. Mechanisms are an important part of everyday life. They allow us to do simple things like switch on lights, turn taps, and open doors. They also make it possible to use escalators and lifts, travel in cars, and fly from continent to continent. Mechanisms play a vital role in industry. While many industrial processes have electronic control systems, it is still mechanisms that deliver the power to do the work. They provide the forces to press steel sheets into car body panels, to lift large components from place to place, to force plastic through dies to make pipes. All mechanisms involve some kinds of motion. The four basic kinds of motion are rotary, wheels, gears, and rollers involve rotary movement. Oscillating. The pendulum of a clock oscillates, it swings backwards and forwards. Linear. The linear movement of a paper trimmer is used to cut the edge of the paper. Reciprocating. The piston in a combustion engine reciprocates. Many mechanisms involve changing one kind of motion into another type. For example, the reciprocating motion of a piston is changed into a rotary motion by the crankshaft, while a cam converts the rotary motion of the engine into the reciprocating motion required to operate the valves. When angular motion is through 360 degrees, it is called a revolution, or a rotation. When moving parts of machines, such as wheels, turn through complete revolutions, once, several times, or for continuous periods, we say they revolve, or rotate. The rotational velocity of revolving parts, or rotating parts, is measured in revolutions per minute, RPM, often called revs per minute. The motion of revolving parts is called rotary motion.